there, everybody. Welcome back to another video today. My name is Marybeth and allow me to continue to share with you this amazing system and opportunity known as M.A.P, which stands for My Automatic Pay, that I have been part of since November of last year, 2021, when it first released and launched. We are currently in my back office, as you can see at the very top right here. This is me, my name right here, Marybeth Angelelli. And these are my current statistics for the last 24 hours. These will update every 24 hours. Stats update, as you can see right here, folks, okay? So this is from a direct result of my consistent marketing efforts, page views, total contacts, number of referrals, and total commissions earned. 2 new signups, $247 each, resulting in a grand total of $494 in commissions earned during the last 24-hour period. Always super exciting, folks, okay? So this is a really easy system to follow, to navigate. It's very user-friendly. And once you log in for the very first time, you need to just follow these 4 videos, these 4 steps, and get these taken care of, done and out of the way, and then your system will be set up effectively and successfully for you to get started with your marketing. Okay, so first and foremost, you activate your account, completing your profile. You decide how you want to get paid. You select the website of your choice. This is steps 1, 2, and 3. And then step number 4 is getting traffic. And then here's a wonderful, insightful video that's going to share with you and show you by following a simple, proven marketing strategy that I've been using since it was released, how to secure more 247 payments potentially, okay? And I highly recommend following this, plugging in. So you definitely want to come in here and click, 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 and click, and complete watching these videos, okay? Because it simply says here, stop, don't just aspire to make a living, aspire to make a difference, DW. Watch all 4 videos to get paid, okay? And then what you do is you come up to the very top here and click on Start Here, and then complete your profile. You have to complete all fields and then save and submit. That's going to get your system fully functional and connected, okay, for your marketing to begin. So you do that first and foremost, and then you decide how you want to get paid. You can choose any payment method option or options. I have mine set up to accept payments through my merchant account, enabling me to collect and receive worldwide payments from all tier 1 countries. Okay, so that's step number 2. Step number 3 is activating your website. So you click here to do that. And here's the capture pages. We have 3 beautiful designs, folks. Regardless of which one you choose, you can't go wrong. We have this one, which is our original. We have a brand new one, the 741, which I'm using currently and loving it, getting great results from it. So I just wanted to share that with you. That's the one I am currently using that I decided to switch over to and activate, and it's working wonderful. And then we have our recession-proof capture page. So to do that, you just simply point and click and make primary page, whichever one of the 3 you choose to go with, okay? And you come right over here to this one right here, the sales page with a timer, and you simply make that your redirect, point and click and select. Okay, and then your system is connected, all right? And likewise, this one right here, you can hover over and click on it. The link's gonna pop up in your browser. You can copy and paste it and include it in all of your email follow-ups and all of your email broadcasts that you choose to send out, okay? And it works very, very well for follow-up purposes, as it has 2 wonderful explainer videos that do a great job of doing all the telling, selling, and explaining for you as your prospects and leads continue to get your follow-up emails, okay? So you're going to focus on getting traffic. That's the 4th and final step, folks. Once you've completed successfully those 3 steps of completing the profile, choosing how you want to get paid, selecting your capture page of choice, you simply go to get traffic. As you might know, folks, traffic is the lifeblood of all businesses out there. It's the most important, most critical, and most essential component of your M.A.P system. Now, there's a multitude and myriad of different resource options that you can choose. You can use both free and paid methods. any combination of either or both. I like to do both, folks, okay? This is direct response marketing and social media. I would definitely recommend starting at the top, clicking on it, and at least reviewing and become familiarize yourself with everything here. This is a very insightful and intuitive guide into direct response marketing, and congratulations, because you are now a direct response marketer, whether you know it or not. I recommend following the lead, following the guide, and the recommendations, and reading through this entire guide word for word from top left to bottom right. If you need to review and revisit this more than one time to fully grasp the wonderful content, folks, please do so, okay? It's going to help you in so many ways. Remember, stay focused. Here's the full story on traffic. And, then what you want to do is apply and implement, okay? There's even some wonderful scripts here. If you use Facebook like I do, these work really, really well. There's just great resources here, from solo ads to postcards to drop cards and everything in between. So definitely start at the top of getting traffic, folks, and familiarize yourself with the direct response marketing guide. Okay? So that's what you definitely want to do. And then we have solo ads, which is next. This is probably the fastest way to build your email list and start getting some great quality targeted traffic and eyeballs, fresh eyeballs, onto your capture page. Here's some great CPC ad swipe copy I've used in the past, and it works really, really well. Okay. So here's tier one. Now, this is something that I definitely want to get out there. You have to stick to tier one. That's the best traffic. That's the way this system flows with United States of America, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, and Canada. Tier one solo ads. So when you're buying traffic, you only want to limit yourself to tier one only, okay? Buying traffic from any outside geographic regions is not going to serve you well at all. So this is simply stated here, please do not promote anywhere else, okay? So please follow the directions and the recommendation here. We have a wonderful world-renowned provider right here. You can click on his banner and explore his website. You can't go wrong with Jazzdeep's traffic, okay? This right here, 200 clicks. I just recommend starting from where you are. As you start to get commissions, then you can definitely reinvest a percentage of your profits and scale up your M.A.P business over time. This is Udemy traffic, folks. It's very, very good. Hundreds upon hundreds of sellers contained within this particular platform. And I have chosen and fortunately found 3 wonderful providers, folks, that I just, change up and rotate out every single week. So when you partner up with me, you're going to get access to my daily method of operations, my specific blueprint, and all of my free and paid traffic resources. Now, I do want to share with you, this month is quickly coming to a rapid end. And at the time of this recording, which happens to be Tuesday, the 27th of September, 2022, I am offering a very, very special bonus through the end of the month, September 30th. So if you get started, you definitely want to connect with me. I'm going to purchase for you as a special bonus from me to you for joining with me and placing your trust and faith in me as a sponsor. I'm going to purchase your very first traffic package, your very first top tier one traffic package to help you to jumpstart your results with M.A.P. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you. You're going to also get access to my ad copy, my email swipes, and my entire follow-up email series. I'm always working behind the scenes, folks, to look at in depth, my statistics, which I've shared with you, and how to enhance and improve those through my open rates and my click-through rates to allow me to increase my conversions. Okay, so that's very, very important. If some of this verbiage doesn't make sense to you, folks, no worries. You will eventually learn it. And there's some awesome training, step-by-step training and videos inside of this awesome M.A.P system. So without getting too carried away, folks, there's great, great traffic options here. We've got postcards, we've got a sales letter, we've got lead labels for postcards and sales letters, an optional rotator, drop cards, which is a very cost-efficient way to promote. There's an optional bridge page, an 800 number that you can integrate and use within your marketing. Here's the video, folks, you definitely want to watch. It's very short, it's sweet, it's right point on. And by applying and implementing this strategy, you definitely can increase your conversions. And I've proved that many, many times over and over again. Here's our traffic co-op with the home business advertiser. This works really well. I definitely recommend getting a share in the next upcoming co-op. This bonus page and traffic page, I use this in all of my email follow-ups. So you'll have access to both of these links. And let me tell you, these two links work very, very well. They've been updated recently for the busy fall season. So you definitely want to integrate these into your email and broadcast follow-ups. Sales page update, definitely check that out. Here's our wonderful resources, folks. There's so many of these. You definitely want to come in here and you want to spend some quality time and familiarize yourself with each and every single of these resources. There's tremendous value contained within the content of all of these, okay? Definitely make good utilization out of the broadcast emails and welcome emails. We have a wonderful audio library jam-packed with great marketing value and content, top earner secrets, emails if you want to integrate your own autoresponder, such as GetResponse or Aweber. You can absolutely do that. Here's a complete overview video. Please watch every single minute of this. This is going to be very, very helpful for you. And everything's here. How to forward your domain. Okay, you definitely want to go out to GoDaddy.com, get a domain name. This short, simple video will explain to you step by step exactly how to do that. So it's contained within the resources area. This is a common reoccurring question I always get asked. How do I forward my domain, folks? So this is where to locate and find it, folks. Forward your domain right here. Watch the video. Okay. Terms, refund policy, folks, please review all of this pertinent information as well. The compensation plan update, frequently asked questions, how exactly to maximize the compensation plan, full system overview video, following up, okay, how important these scores are. This will explain to you exactly what these are. If you want to integrate a Stripe Buy Now Plus button, you can do that. And here's all the wonderful information on the founders. This is where you're going to be able to access your products. Absolutely, positively, M.A.P is indeed product-based. They have wonderful digital marketing training and educational products combined with health and wellness. Soon to be a upcoming M.A.P residual project is very much in the works. When you join M.A.P, folks, definitely check this out and get on the waiting list so you can get up to the date, up to the minute updates on the latest and greatest upcoming residual income opportunity project coming very, very soon. Okay, so once you go in here, this is what I want to share with you on the products. Even though there's some wonderful products, folks, 6 modules and all, more products coming. All of these are wonderful, but I would probably recommend starting here, okay, with traffic, since lead and traffic generation is paramount to your results and your success. This module 2 is going to share with you additional ways that you can start your flow of traffic. So here, this will be available for digital download. This simple traffic solutions, how to get traffic, because that's really the only thing that matters. So that's very, very true and accurate. No doubt about it. Simple traffic solutions and how to get 1,000 subscribers in 30 days. This is going to show you how to successfully build your email list, folks. The money's in the list, the fortune's in the follow-up. You're going to have access to both, okay? You're going to combine the two together, and this is going to help you both short-term and long-term to build a successful M.A.P business for yourself. I cannot say enough of good things about the owners and creators of this awesome business. Frank and his wonderful wife Laura have just done a wonderful job of putting together, in my opinion, the best small ticket home-based business opportunity out there today in the marketplace, bar none, and they're always working behind the scenes to enhance, improve, and increase conversions. And that's what I love about this system, folks, and the way they conduct business, their style, and everything about M.A.P, folks. It's a very simple, easy to follow, easy to navigate, user-friendly, newbie-friendly system and back office. Nothing difficult whatsoever, folks. You don't have to have any special skills. You don't have to be a technical person, no special experience education required. It's all here, folks. Stick with the system. Don't reinvent the wheel. I will share with you, though, my complete step-by-step blueprint and all of my additional free and paid traffic resources. You're going to get access to my blueprint and my special bonus through the end of September, folks. So I can help you to jumpstart your results with this awesome system. And we're going to go right back here, folks. This is the system that continues to put $247 commissions deposited all week long into my bank account. The same thing can be happening for you too, folks. If you're looking for something simple, a simple solution to help you to increase cash flow, you owe it to yourself to check out M.A.P today. Now, how can you do that? Here's my capture page. I'm going to place the link to that below so you can enter your information. You're going to be redirected over to my sales page. Any questions, text or call me. And I'd love to welcome you in advance to my automatic pay, to my team. I'll see you soon on the inside. You will get a wonderful email from me, a welcome email, followed by my blueprint and bonuses so you can access everything as soon as you get started. So let me show you what the 747 page looks like, okay? My automatic247.com. That's where you want to head over to right now as soon as this video concludes. My automatic247.com. Here's the new, fresh, updated page. It's working wonderful. It's going to allow you to discover the #1 system for generating, up to 741 a day. So you can start getting paid all day like clockwork, bank, instant cash, no waiting. This is a wonderful instant pay program, folks. It's direct, it's member to member. You can get paid however you want. Access our free video below. Just enter your first name, your best email, click on this red Get Instant Access. And this is going to share with you and show you how you can turn your device into a cash collecting machine. And it even comes with done for you traffic. Folks, it doesn't get any better. With that being said, click on the link below, go to my website, enter your information, watch the video, and let's get you started today, folks. Why put off until tomorrow what you can do successfully and accomplish today? The sooner you get started, the sooner you can start earning. You have that potential. You'll get access to me, to my bonuses, and let's get you on the winning team, folks. Let's make it happen today. 330-787-1795. That's my personal cell. It's listed below. Text or call me only if you're serious. I'll be waiting to meet you on the inside. Let's get you going. Let's get you started. Let's get some of these fun, exciting 247 commissions deposited into your bank account as early as this week. Okay? You can make it happen, but you've got to take action first. I'll see you soon on the inside. Make it a great day. Enjoy the rest of September. What is left of it, folks, it's quickly coming to an end. So let's end the month off strong and make this a September to remember. It all starts with M.A.P. See you soon on the inside. Bye-bye.